Hi guys, it's that time of the day again. Ready to explore the exciting British Kung Fu Monthly. Opening up today will be issue 44 to 51. So I better get on with it and outstanding it is. Like I say, I'm really enjoying this and I hope you two are as well. So here they are. You can see, I'll open up for you in a minute. Like I say, we've got the 45 flexi disc there. I've got to get that out of the way to open it up for you in issue 50. So hold on a minute. Welcome back, guys. And here we go. Issue 44. Enter the Kung Fu Monthly. Got a bit of Way the Dragon action on this issue on the front cover. Absolutely outstanding this is. Let's have a look at the poster. You say issue 44. Same as the front cover. Hold on. Bit of Way the Dragon action. Bruce with his dart hiding behind the tree. Ready for the pants. Excellent. Issue 45. They're still advertising that God suit offer. Excellent. Right, let's have a look at the poster. Issue 45. Got a montage there from the big boss. Outstanding. That'd be fantastic in a frame. Look at that, eh? Brilliant. To the next issue. Issue 46. Really takes me back, this does. Back to the good old days. When everybody was kung fu fighting. Outstanding. So look at the poster, number 46. Bit of big boss action from the beginning, where Bruce is getting some refreshment from Nora Meow. She was a cool cat, she was. Beautiful. Outstanding. Next one. Issue 47. Britain's first Bruce Lee convention, 1979. Outstanding. Look at the poster. We've got a classic ETD one here. Bruce's fight with Sammo with the gloves on, outstanding. Amazing poster. Issue 48.
Sensitivity is kung fu courage set in motion. It's a massive dynamic explosion. How fills his eyes as he strikes terror with his cry.
The poster. 48. Fantastic.
Let him show what he can do.
Artists painting or drawing there, brilliant. That look fantastic in a frame. Paul somebody, I can't make it out, but it's excellent, that is. Brilliant. Issue 49. Outstanding. Bit of Way of the Dragon action on the front. Let's have a look at the poster. We've got that famous picture of Bruce that they've altered now, where he's on a DJ deck. Very cool. Excellent. Issue 50. The Bruce Lee convention with the free flexi disc with it. Excellent. Still plays very well as well. I was amazed when I played it a few months ago. Excellent. Let's look at the poster. Outstanding. Brilliant poster, that is. James Coburn in there. Outstanding. Brilliant poster. And the last one, issue 51 in this episode. We're getting there, people. Only 79 episodes, issues, sorry, plus 3 other special releases. So we're not far off now. 51. Let's have a look at the poster. We've got a bit of let's roll, Kato. Bit of hornet action here. Brilliant. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Great day, Bruce collectors. And remember, Bruce will never die. Ta-ra!